So today we are going to talk about websites that can pay you to write articles for them. Before you dismiss, there's also a recommendation on which website you should join as a beginner. Hi, my name is called Moses Wamkota. I do post twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that any video that I'll be uploading, you'll be the first one to be notified by YouTube. Now the first website on our list is called Neptune.ai. If you know a lot about tech, you can write article for scientists and machine learning. And also you can use ChatGPT to help you to write ideas on these articles. Now the best thing with this website is that they pay up to $600 per article. And the payment depends on the topic, ideas, and the complexity of the topic. Now to write for this website, you need to look at the content that they have on their website. Look at the examples, the flow, and the length of the articles that are being subjected on this website before you take any action to write for this website. Now, if you can meet those requirements, you can head on to Google and then type in Neptune.ai. Then scroll down and apply to write for them. Once you will be approved, you can start writing article for this website. Now the next website that clients are ready to pay for your written skills is called Unveil. This is a content creation platform that connects clients with writers who need written content for websites, product description, blog posts, log SEO, and ebooks. Now, if you have these skills of writing blog posts and article writing, I think this is the best place to sign up and then start posting your articles on this platform. This website has been on the content market scene for 13 years, and they are helping agencies, marketers deliver content at scale better than others. Now to apply, you need to head on to their website and then apply, and you must be ready with your writing samples and pass a simple quiz that are on their platform. They will contact you once approved via email that you registered with. You will be able to see the dashboard in which you can choose the tasks that interests you. Now before start writing on this Unveil.com, you need also to read the website writing guidelines and master them before you start taking any writing activity on this platform. Now the best thing with this platform is that they pay good amount of money, and the payment method here is via direct bank transfer, and they pay on weekly basis. Now for example, a 300-word article you can get from $10 to $11. A 600-word article, you can earn up to $23. And a 1,000-word article, you can get $57. And a 2,000-word article, you can get up to $140. So this is a cool way of making money online. So go on and apply for this writing article job opportunity on this platform. So my friends who are in Kenya, Nigeria, US here, you can take this chance and then try to apply for this job opportunity on this platform. And if you are finding some value on this video, please go on and then like this video and also subscribe to this video. And when you like this video, it helps YouTube algorithm. So let's go to the next website. Now another website is called airbyte.com. Now, if you can write article for analytic engineers, this is a place for you. If you have passion for sharing your data or AI knowledge, take this chance and make money online. This is a website that is looking for 3 types of article: data insight, data news, and tutorial. And this website pays up to $900 per article upon approval. So go on to this website, then scroll down, then read instruction on how to become a writer, then apply for this job opportunity. Now the good news is that anybody can apply. So whether you come from Senegal, all over the world, you can try to apply for this job opportunity. Now the next website connects brands and business with thousands of top qualified freelancer writers. Here you can sell your article, marketing, copy, product description, and blog post. And the best thing here with this website is that you can personally partner with agencies who value content, and you can earn a larger share per job. So Mose, what is the name of the website? Now the name of the website is called Constant Content. So what you need to do is that you can head on to Google and then type in Constant Content. Once you have found that website, you can sign up and then start selling your article today on this website. Now the next website that I personally like using is called Elite Personal Finance. Now on this website, they accept topics ranging from personal finance, business, make money online, credit cards, and how to save money. So if you are a best on that niche, or you can write articles on how to make money online, personal finance, or credit card, this is the best place for you. You can head on to this website called Elite Personal Finance, then sign up, then submit your writing sample to them. Once you will be accepted, you will start making money on this website. Now they pay up to $300 per guest post, and the post should be from 1,000 words to 2,000 words. So what you need to do, you can head on to this website and then read the instruction on this website to apply. So my lovely friend, I want you to apply as many as you can so that I can know in the comment section how it goes with you once you have been approved. So my lovely friend, we have come to the end of this video. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. And if you have any suggestion, let me also know in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that any video that I'll be uploading, you'll be the first one to be notified by YouTube. So from US here, God bless you. It's your boy, your son, your brother, Moses Wamkota. Bye. Until the next time.